Today we're going to show you how to make a quick and easy treat for your chickens that's going to help them cool off during the hot summer months. You're going to start by gathering some treats that your chickens love. I suggest some greens, some strawberry tops. My chickens love blueberries. Mealworms are really good, herbs as well. We're going to take these treats here and we're going to form them into ice blocks. This is not only going to give your chickens a treat that's going to cool them off, but it's also a really good boredom buster. You can use various types of containers to build your ice blocks. You can use a bundt pan or a cake pan. If you want smaller blocks, which I really like to do, you can use a large muffin tin like this one. And I've even got some fun ice cube containers that I'm going to use to make our treats. To get started, you're going to take whatever container you'd like to use and you're going to fill it up with the treats. Next, depending on your container, you're going to add the lid if your container has a lid. If not, if you're using like a muffin tin like this, you're just going to make sure that it's all nice and full, like so. Okay. And your last step is going to be that you're going to fill your container with water. After your container is all full, you're going to want to put that in the freezer for 24 hours. So I like to take a look at the weather, and when I know that it's going to be really hot, I start a few days in advance and I make some of these treats to keep in the freezer. After your treat is completely frozen, you can take it out and give it to your chickens for a sweet, cool, refreshing treat. Hopefully I've given you some inspiration to make some treats for your chickens. If you have any questions, be sure to leave those in the comments below. Thank you for watching.